calling. I'm falling.
You're making me like so nervous. I never like do this in front of people. Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. So I love fashion. I love creating outfits and styling pieces. So in today's video, I did 3 outfits that you can wear for Valentine's Day. One outfit is definitely for a nice dinner. I did an outfit, which is this one, and this one's definitely either for like the daytime or just like something casual. If you're going to a movie or if you're going to do something where you know a dress is just not the way to go. And then my third one is my personal favorite and exactly how y'all will all see me on Valentine's Day. It's just the most comfortable, casual outfit you can think of, and it's just gonna be that, no makeup, my hair in a bun, and relaxing. So those are the outfits I decided to choose. And I was thinking of doing some outfits of the week, and if that's something that y'all want to see, then give this video a thumbs up and keep on watching.
I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you.
So all of the outfit details will be listed in the description box, but my scarf is Karl Lagerfeld and I got it at Saks. My bralette is from Urban Outfitters and my dress is from a little boutique, but I'll find something similar and link it down below because I got that dress in California.
I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak?
I'm about to start a giveaway with the watch company that I am wearing in this video. They are called Yode Wood Watches, and I will link them in the description box and give y'all more details about that giveaway when it comes up. My black heels are from Aldo, and my jacket is my newest obsession. I just got it from Saltwater Sirens, which is a new boutique in Hawaii, and I actually have a discount code for y'all that I will link in the description box.
Heartbreak.
I'm just gonna close my eyes and pretend that I'm not here. All these empty faces talking about problems, I don't care.
So I actually got all of these outfit pieces from Christmas time. I got this top and it was from Nieman Marcus, my belt, which is from Gucci, my jeans, which are from my 7, and my purse, which is from Free People.
Everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling.
My beret, I got that forever ago, but I believe it's from Target. My booties are from Halogen.
Tonight we're running on the right track.
My Soho hoodie is from Brandy Melville.
Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever. I'm up for anything.
My leggings are from Under Armour. My socks, I believe, are from Target, and I think my scrunchie is from Francesca's. And my pizza is from the grocery store. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Put it right here on the screen for y'all. Super easy, super simple. And I will see y'all in the next video. Mwah. Bye.